Do you feel dizziness, shortness of breath, chest pain? Then these could be some indicators of heart attack. Hello friends, I am Yashasvi Kiryar from Med Supervision and today I will tell you 8 signs that your body gives you a month before a heart attack occurs. I will also talk about a fruit that you can add into your daily diet to prevent such condition. So let's get started. According to World Health Organization, an estimate of 17.9 million people died due to cardiovascular diseases in 2019, representing 32% of global deaths. Out of these, 85% of deaths were due to heart attacks and strokes. As the proverb goes, prevention is better than cure. Most cardiovascular diseases can be prevented just by changing some behavioral factors like tobacco and alcohol use, physical inactivity, obesity, and unhealthy diet. Heart attack signs are constantly present, and by not acknowledging them, you increase the risk of heart attack. So let's see what are the 8 signs that your body tells you a month before a heart attack. Cold sweats or dizziness. Do you experience cold sweats or dizziness without any cause frequently? Then it could be an early sign of heart attack. Yes, your body requires proper blood circulation to function properly, and due to poor blood circulation, you may experience cold sweats or dizziness that can be a sign of heart attack. Chest pain or pressure. This is the most noticeable sign of a heart attack and it is often confused with indigestion problem or acidity. If you feel unusual pain at your chest or unusual pressure at your chest, then this could happen because your heart is not getting oxygen-rich blood, and it can be a direct sign of a heart attack if it is constant and you need to seek immediate medical advice. Weakness. Do you think you are experiencing unexplained weakness from a long time, along with nausea or chest pain that keeps growing towards your jaw, causing jaw pain? Then it could be an early sign of a heart attack. It happens whenever your arteries become narrow and the blood is not able to flow properly through them. Thus, the heart doesn't receive sufficient amount of blood and causing it to fail. So if you see any of these signs, do seek medical advice. Shortness of breath. Another organ that suffers the most due to the loss of blood supply is your lungs. Whenever your lungs do not get enough blood supply, you are not able to breathe in enough oxygen. And if you don't take enough oxygen, your brain will not be able to function properly. And if your brain doesn't function properly, you might get a heart attack. Insomnia. When you have trouble in sleeping, then this can cause heart attack. Yes, it is often seen that when you are suffering from anxiety or depression, then you can develop insomnia. And whenever you experience anxiety, your blood pressure shoots up and it can lead to a heart attack. Yes, researchers have also shown that depressions and heart attacks are linked. So getting yourself checked that why you are not able to sleep may help you in saving your life. Chronic fatigue. Another sign of an early heart attack can be chronic fatigue, when you feel sluggish and tired throughout the day for a long period of time. Yes, it happens when plaque builds up in your arteries and there is no proper blood flow towards your heart, and it can cause a heart attack. Another sign that your body gives you a month before a heart attack happens is stomach pain. If you are experiencing stomach pain along with nausea and abdominal pain, then this could be a sign of heart attack. This pain comes and returns frequently in a short period of time, and if it is happening with you, then you need to seek medical advice immediately. So friends, these were the 8 signs that your body gives you a month before a heart attack happens. You can avoid this condition just by changing certain behavioral factors that I also earlier discussed in these videos, that is, try to avoid alcohol and tobacco use. If you cannot avoid these, then try to reduce their consumption in your daily life. Also, change your diet from the unhealthy one to the healthy one. You can also do exercise on a daily basis to avoid physical inactivity. Now I will tell you about a fruit that's loaded with a a lot of benefits and that can be a good choice for your heart. I'm talking about dates, also known as khajur. Dates are loaded with a lot of benefits like it has calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron and potassium that can give you huge health benefits. So here I present you some ways dates can help you in preventing heart strokes. According to Israeli researchers, eating dates at least once a day can help you preventing the condition of atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is a condition in which plaque starts developing into your arteries and over time it becomes hard. When it becomes hard, it narrows down your arteries and obstructs blood flow towards heart and it can cause heart attack. As per a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, eating 3.75 ounces of dates for 4 weeks can help you in reducing your fat levels by 15%. Therefore, it helps you in lowering your blood cholesterol. According to a study by Harvard Medical School, consuming 8 servings of dates within a week can help you in reducing your blood pressure as well as blood cholesterol. As per a 2005 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacy, dates can also help in preventing ulcers in the digestive tract. In 2015, in the British Journal of Nutrition, it was also published that eating dates can help in preventing colon cancer. So these were some ways of eating dates that can help you in preventing a heart attack. If you like the information shared in this video, so do like and share this video amongst your friends and family. If you have any doubt, write that down in the comment box. If you want to see similar videos on similar issues, do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. I'm Yashasvi and it's a goodbye from my side.